Hey, welcome to Honolulu Uechi-Ryu. This is Al, and today I just want to recommend to my students if you really want to know, in my opinion, how Uechi-Ryu should be practiced, how the kata should be practiced, you should look to the founders. And there is no better example than this man right here. If you like this channel, please subscribe. Click the subscribe button with the notification bell on, and that way you won't miss out on any of this content, and it will help the channel grow, and thank you in advance. Have a great day, and aloha.